Welcome to Le Cordon Bleu New Zealand, located in the heart of Wellington City. We are one of Oceania's top culinary institutes. Join me for a tour of our campus and facilities. It all starts here in our demo kitchens. You will spend the next 3 hours witnessing the chef instructor demonstrating the processes and techniques you will put into practice in our kitchen classrooms. Our cuisine lecture theatre doubles as a venue for our masterclasses and events, where students will gain experience serving the public. Our bachelor students experience both cuisine and patisserie, but for majority of classes, this is home to our Diplôme de Cuisine students. A state-of-the-art kitchen you will not find anywhere else in New Zealand. Our students will learn the essence of French cuisine. Our patisserie classroom, like all of our facilities, is state-of-the-art and tailored to the industry. Here, our students will create works of art with remarkable precision and elegance. But that's not all. We have another kitchen classroom attached to our new training restaurant. From intermediate levels and above, our diploma students will cook for genuine customers in a real-world hospitality environment. Thank you for joining me today. Here at Le Cordon Bleu New Zealand, everything we do is to prepare you for the industry. If you want to be the best, you should learn from the best.